Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, we are talking about how to evolve cards in Clash Royale, a great way to make your deck stronger and unlock new abilities for your cards. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to evolve your cards, and let's get started with the video. First, make sure you have enough evolution shards for the card you want to evolve, and you can get them from events, the seasonal shop or Royal Pass as well. Keep an eye on the seasonal pass and upgrade it if you want to unlock it sooner. Otherwise, it will be available in the shop as well. So keep an eye out for the evolution shards in the shop as well. Open your card collection and select the card that you want to evolve and that is eligible for evolution. After that, simply tap on the info of the card and go to the evolution section right next to here, and there tap evolve button and you will see the required evolution shards and gold. Confirm the evolve and the card will be evolved instantly. Once evolved, your card will get boosted stacks like higher damage and more health or special abilities, and you have to focus on evolving cards that you use most in your main deck so you can get best advantage with them during battles, and you will have higher chances of winning against players in your matches. Once you have evolved your cards, a bright pink color will appear around your card that indicates it is an evolved card, and that is how you can evolve cards in Clash Royale. Collect your shards, evolve strategically, and watch your deck get stronger. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.